Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must act now. Check that your phone number, including the plus country code, is exact because mismatches block delivery. Once done, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to force a new route. Make the first request via SMS. If nothing arrives in 1 to 2 minutes, choose the call option. Telegram will read the code aloud. Also, make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss the incoming SMS or call. Next, focus on the middle steps. Force close Telegram, clear app cache, and reboot your phone to drop stuck sessions. This often forces a fresh code attempt. Then, try logging in from a second device or via Telegram web to prompt a new delivery channel. If you used a VO IP or virtual number, switch to the physical SIM in your phone because carriers sometimes block authentication SMS. Once you've completed these actions, finish by reinstalling Telegram and retrying sign-in. Reinstalling removes corrupted files that can prevent code reception. Make sure your carrier isn't blocking short or international SMS, and confirm your SIM plan supports text messages. Swap SIMs into another phone to test. If the code still doesn't arrive, wait up to 24 hours for rate limits to reset, then contact Telegram support with your phone number and device details. One key tip: try a different physical SIM, carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.